Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, there's one of the stars of today's show. This is leftover chili. Would like to heat that up. It's really good. I just made that last night. I have links below on how to make that beautiful chili. This is a cage-free egg, and that is some bread. Hey, Mike Foster here. I've been making a lot of fried egg sandwiches. I've made a whole bunch over the last several years, and am I running out of ideas? Am I stretching? I don't think so. This one's going to be a killer leftover chili fried egg sandwich. I'm not going to add cheese. I don't know why. Maybe I forgot. I'll meet you at the stove, put this baby together. It's going to be good. Pan set on medium. A little olive oil. And let's reheat this chili. There it is. Well, that's going to be good. Just enough for a sandwich. And put that down a little. There. What's nice about this recipe is you really don't have to do much with it. So I'm going to keep that down to low. And we're just going to heat this up. Flip it a little. Make it sandwich size. On this side of the pan, a little butter down. Put that egg down right here. Oh, yeah. Just keep that warm. Let's watch this egg. Move it around a little. A little black pepper. That's all. Let's say another minute or so, then we can flip it. Let's put the toast down. I know it's probably crazy looking, but this is going to taste amazing. I always like a little egg with my chili. I'm just going to make a sandwich out of it. How's this baby doing? Oh yeah, it's ready for the flip. Did you hear that toast? It just popped up. I'm going to shut this off, let it cook for another minute, meet you at the counter, put this baby together. All right, fresh from the toaster, a little butter on both sides, just like that. There's that chili. Plop that right here. Oh yeah, I like it. I like this one. Ooh, made a mess. Here's that egg. Plop that baby right on top. Ooh, perfect. I already know this yolk's gonna go nuts. Ready for the old flipperoo? I am. Center it. There's a little presseroo and the sliceroo. Oh yeah. Let's reveal this fine mess. Oh, that's killer though. Let's get a close-up of that baby. There's it perfect. Could be. There's the close-up. Easy to make. Fried egg, leftover chili sandwich. Let's see if it's killer diller. I think it's gonna be. There that baby is. I know I got a lot of fans that love my fried egg sandwiches. That's why I make them. I only eat them on cheat days. Today's my cheat day. And boy, am I cheating. Let's see how this baby tastes. Oh. Check out how to make chili. I got several recipes. Maybe I'll make a new one. I made this one last night. Everything tastes great. Toast is nice. Nice for a cold day. We've got a little rainy cold day going on. Perfect for that. Check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Living Life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I'm going to put that egg right there. That's what she said. I really am. And the egg is cooked perfectly. I must know how to cook an egg. Keep living it. Keep living. My nose ran. I don't know why. I'd say it's the smoke from the fires, but they've finally cleared up. If somebody can tell me what that is, I'll be very happy. Sweet Babu.